Graphing lines from slope-intercept form. After watching this video, I will be able to write an equation given the slope and y-intercept. In the previous lesson, we talked about what slope-intercept form is. And it's basically whenever you have an equation written as y equals mx plus b, you have slope and y-intercept. So in reverse, if I tell you that the slope is 1/2 and the y-intercept is 5, I can write an equation to represent that line. So y equals mx plus b. So the y and the x will always remain as variables when you're trying to write an equation. So your m part is the slope, which is 1/2 in this example, and your b part is your y-intercept. Because this is positive 5, I will write plus 5. My equation, or my answer, when it says to write an equation, is going to be y equals 1/2 x plus 5. You do not try and solve this. Your answer is just the equation. So here again, we want to write an equation. We have y equals mx plus b. You need to find your slope and your y-intercept. So your slope is your m, so that is -7/3. And your y-intercept is 4. Because it's positive 4, we will say plus 4. Again, you do not solve. Your answer is just the equation. So in Edulastic, I would just write this equation down, and that will be my final answer. Again, write the equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So y equals mx plus b. My m is my slope, +2. My y-intercept, my b, is -8. Because it is -8, I will put -8. So y equals 2x minus 8. Here is one last example. Why don't you press pause, see if you can answer the question, and then press play to see if you got your answer correct. Pause your video now. So your final answer should be y equals -3/8 x minus 12.